this the software can perform into this Volvo-Penta engine, we can start just clicking the fault code reading section. Just for demonstration purposes, we're gonna find fault codes related to the engine, and also we are gonna have the exact definition or detailed information about what the fault is related to. This prevents us from looking into external sources and try to search generic fault code information, as Jaltest provides specific information within manufacturers. Okay, so we're just looking at the P1121. This is an EGR system alert. We have temperature too high into the system. We can click on the additional information such as freeze frame data, date and last hour of occurrence. We also got fault code troubleshootings, right? This is a step-by-step smart guide aid in which you will be able, with your mechanics, to determine any cause and reason of any fault code you might be having. Okay, some series of instructions. We can click next. Right. Step number 1: identify the appropriate FMI in order to select the correct troubleshooting. As we drive into the fault codes troubleshooting step by step, we're gonna see a series of initial conditions, informations that are necessary so you know what you're working with. Okay. We can also click into the schematics. We can see electrical wiring diagram for these components, and we can check out the pinouts connected to the ECM power supplies, right? And we can see these electrical wiring diagrams, so we can have references of the ground, power supplies, and how they are interacting with each other, right? Here we have the main management control unit. We can double click. We can see some pictures and locations, as well as some pinouts, right? We can see components. This is the alternator on this engine, some inlet pressure sensors and temperature sensors. We've got system data. This is AQ data that's been stored on the memory's cache, such as the VIN, serial number, hardware serial number, software version, and all others manufacturer's information that has been stored into the unit. We've also got operational data, such as information savings on coolant, oil, and engine torque, engine protection, fuel consumption rates. We can check after treatment data recordings, engine oil pressure, vehicle speed limits, and engine brake. We've got live measurements and monitoring. We can perform system displays on the fuel system and also after treatment system from the ACU. Based on our configuration, let's say this is a 6-cylinder configuration system setup, we can take a look into the fuel system display. We've got live measurements, that's real-time monitoring information after treatment, HC metering bulbs, engine speed, engine load, fuel pressure sensors, electronic unit, control supply voltage output, and such other informations. We can perform live data selection. We can filter out by type of sensor we're willing to check. As you can see, we have a total of 128 sensors into this engine. If you want to take a look into the pressure and temperature sensors, I can just click into the intake, engine oil pressure, ambient pressure, let's say the exhaust temperature sensor in bank 1. We're gonna click these little gadgets and we're gonna be able to check live measurements. We can go into the graph section. We can set a time lapse so we can monitor all these sensors in a timely way, and we could get feedback information about how the sensors are working onto this engine. We can perform system checks as cylinder cutouts, injector buzzing tests, cylinder compressions, balance and compensation, fuel consumption, boost pressures. We've got after treatment fuel metering, solenoids, particular matter, NOx sensors. We can check out the SCR efficiency and engine brake system models as well. we got setting parameters for injector coating. We can set parameters into speed limits, cruise control, engine protection, maximum acceleration, vehicle speed, correction factors, on behavior, abuse reporting. We can modify all these DPF regeneration, inhibitions, and also regeneration of the particular filter with the vehicle park as well. We also got a generation of diagnostic reports. We can export PDF information or just save our diagnostic reports into our local files, and then we're going to be having all of our records.
If you have any questions, just get in touch with us here at Mechnician. You can reach us 888-64-2240 or www.mechnician.com. Thank you very much.